This is the hoist back extension. You plant your feet on the firm edge and push the back of your legs against the rollers. Put your hips against the nice comfortable pads. With your back straight, you bend at the hips, not the middle of your back. You're not bending like this, you're bending here. You come down, stretching your back muscles. You'll also feel it in your hamstrings. Touch the floor, and back up. Touch the floor, and back up. They're adjusted in multiple ways. You pull this up, it's on a spring, and you can adjust it as far out or as far in as it needs to be, dependent on the length of your legs. Then it will lock in place to one of the nearest holes. Additionally, you can change the angle of the machine by pulling out this pin and raising up to a higher level. This will increase your angle when you do the exercise. So you're now horizontal, putting more pressure on your glutes and hamstrings. You can also use it this way round, where your torso stays still and you raise your legs instead.